प्यारे बच्चों, welcome to my channel Maths Made Easy by Shakti Chatterjee. Today I have solved a problem. How I have solved? Please listen the questions and see. Question is given in the figure: angle ABE equal to 120 degree, BE equal to BD equal to DC. It is given. Find angle X. Now I know, everybody know that ABC is a straight line. In the same time, it is a straight angle equal to 180 degree. I have written here angle ABC. Angle ABC is broken in ABE plus EBC, which I have written here ABE plus angle EBC equal to 180 degree. Now we know that ABE equal to 120 degree. So angle EBC equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree equal to 60 degree. The first, it will help you to solve this problem. BE equal to BD, that BE equal to BD. Therefore angle BED equal to angle BDE. This is also X. Clear? Now we know that sum of two interior angle is equal to internal opposite angle. Therefore angle BCD plus angle CBD is equal, and angle BCD plus angle CBD equal to angle BDE, that is X, which I have written here. Clearly I have written here. So CD equal to DB. Therefore this angle equal to this angle, it is proved. Now the CBD and BCD equal to X. Therefore CBD or BCD equal to X by 2 I have written here. Because sum of two interior angle is equal to internal opposite angle. Remember it. It is in geometry. So now we know the sum of interior angle of a triangle in triangle BCE. Angle B plus angle C plus angle E equal to 180 degree, which I have written here. See, sum of internal angle of a triangle is 180 degree, and it is written here angle BCE plus angle CEB plus angle EBC equal to 180 degree in triangle BCE. And we know that BCD equal to BCE. Therefore I have written X by 2, because this is X by 2. When it is X, it will be the X by 2. Now it is X by 2, and this is X by 2, this is X by 2, and X by 2 हो गया. तो X by 2 plus X plus this total angle is 60 degree, which I have written and proved here. So 180 degree. Now आप इसका LCM 2 हो गया, तो X plus 2X plus 120 degree, and it is cross multiple, that is 360 degree. Now I equate it. Therefore X equal to 240 by 3, that is 80 degree. Now you see X equal to 80 degree. This is X equal to 80 degree. This is X equal to 80 degree. And see, when it is 80 degree, this will be the 40 degree. And this will be the 40 degree. See, so automatically 120 plus 40, 160, this will be 20 degree. Now you see here, 80 plus 80. 160 and 20, 80 is matching. So my answer is right. In the same time, 40 plus 40, 80. So this angle should be 100 degree. And in the same time, this is a straight line. This is 80 degree. So 180 minus 80 equal to 100. This is 100 degree. Pyare bachcho, I have proved in all the angles. So if you like this video, please share to your friends. Put some comment. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.